By our re-entry that you witness, Mr. Chairman and Secretary General, I reassure you of our commitment to fully abide by and implement Comesa programs and to join its financial and technical, semi-autonomous and autonomous institutions. On the other hand, Mr. Chairman and Secretary General, Somalia has much to offer. This 512 million people market. We bring to the table a population with a great entrepreneurial spirit, where our business community is the backbone of our society. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Somalia offers a coastline of over 3,000 kilometers with exclusive economic zone of some 825,052 kilometers. Somalia also possesses vast untapped natural resources, from fresh fisheries to oil and gas, minerals, agriculture. The potential in Somalia are enormous. We're therefore ready to contribute to the growth of our continent. It is our vision that we will soon be in the position to not only give prospects to Somalis, but to our African brothers and sisters. We're therefore very proud to be the 21st member of this wonderful organization, and we look forward to both enjoy its benefits, but also contribute to its growth. Thank you very much.